days and I've been actually uploading. Who is she? I knew I believed in myself. I knew it. I don't know what is up with me lately, thinking I can go on here looking like a freaking potato, but hi, nice to meet you. You know how there's like morning people that be waking up looking good? I'm just like, how? Today I am going home. So we tried picking up a little bit just so it won't be so dirty out here, because last night's mukbang we were just eating and there was like chicken everywhere. Obviously I'm uploading every day, and today, which is yesterday to you guys, the video is probably gonna go up late. So if you didn't get to watch that video that I uploaded yesterday, go sip some tea with me. It was a video with my high school enemy. This is the Black Bear Diner.
Oh, it's like a newspaper.
I have never been here before, so if y'all been here, comment below. But this place, Raul said it's so bomb. Oh my god, so Raul got pancakes on the side, and I thought we just got like a pancake or two on the side, but we got a whole freaking meal. I have been seeing the craziest videos go around where people run stuff over, so I was like, okay. I have a lot of things that are like stress balls, a lot of slime, a lot of squishy stuff. I feel like I already have all of that at home. Today's vlog is a little bit boring, but I was like, hold up, we could make it a little interesting. First of all, this car is so freaking loud. How is it supposed to be satisfying? I don't understand. So you guys know how I made a giant stress ball one time, a mesh one? Well, I have another one and I thought it'd be fun to run her over. I'm gonna try to actually make this satisfying, so I'm not gonna talk. It's probably gonna be really cringy instead of satisfying, but oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, it went through the freaking net. So cool. This is fun. This is the coolest thing ever. I love this. It's like a freaking stress ball. Wow. Oh my god. Ooh, what's the surprise? Wow, these videos are way messier behind the scenes than I thought.
Oh no. Oh wait,
What?
It's fine.
Oh my gosh, it's completely fine. Wow, she is so cute. That was interesting. That low-key was kind of stress relieving. I sound freaking crazy. The clay is still intact. Shatterproof ornaments. Yeah, I don't know about that. Bro, that was the weirdest thing we've ever filmed. I don't know what it is about those, but why am I filming like this? My tree is finally here, the one that I ordered. I'm not sure how big it looks on camera, but you guys, this tree is so freaking huge and so beautiful. If y'all watched my videos, I was talking about how I ordered a 15-foot tree and I wasn't sure if I was getting scammed or not because it was taking forever to get here. What they did was they told me, I contacted them and they told me that the 15-foot tree was so big that it would take forever to get here because it would have to be sent by like a truck or something. And then this one, they told me, they were like, listen, if you want the tree like within days, we can send you the 12-foot one and just refund the difference from the price. So I was like, you know what, just send me the 12-foot one, I'll cancel the 15-foot one. It's a fake flocked tree and I think it actually has that real vibe. I think it looks real and I'm so excited to decorate it. Hi, chubby boy. Hi. What? Tina is knocked out right now. I mean, she's always sleeping. She's like a week old. Peter and Raul right now are packing up because he had a restock and they're shipping everything out. Also, my brother just got here and he brought a Slime Mania bag. So these are the goodie bags that people are getting if you get a VIS passes in general. Get this. And there's stuff in there. There's a bunch of goodies, a bunch of extras. Slime Mania is legit in like 6 days. Slime Mania is next Sunday, which is insane. I don't think this is everything though, huh?
No.
This is just like, these are just samples of the slimes. They're gonna come with slime and they're gonna come with a bunch of other extras, squishies, etc.
Stress balls.
Putties.
Putties.
If you live in Southern California or anywhere near Anaheim, California, come through. It's gonna be crazy. If you're wondering what Slime Mania is, it's kind of like, you know how I went to Slime Bash and Slimer Surf and stuff like that. It's another slime convention where a bunch of Slimers get together and sell their slime. So you can meet all of your favorite Slimers, including me and Squishy Bunny and 30 something other Slimers that will be selling there. There's gonna be fun panels going on. We're gonna have Santa's Village, like Santa's gonna be there. Slime Mania is days away, so we're so excited. And me and Raul actually need to start making slime for Slime Mania very soon. So we're just eating some pozole here. Peter is in the house. Peter has, like, he needs to drink more water, and he out here drinking Coke.
There's some water in here. I don't know how much.
1%.
1%.
Wow.
Just being a mechanic, he's gonna see what's wrong under the vehicle.
What a mood. What a day full of cringe, family time, slime. I cannot wait to hop in the shower, get ready for bed, and just go to sleep. I feel like my vlogs are all over the place, and I hope you guys are okay with that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow because it's Vlogmas and we vlogging every day.